Okay, sorry about that. So I am going to be knitting these 3 stitches together, and then I'm just going to continue knitting how I knitted. Slip, knit, slip, knit, knit. Don't slip that one. Slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit. Like I said, you can knit anything with the stitches. Baby blankets gives you that double layer. I haven't knitted socks this method yet, but I am planning. Slip. If I do, I will show you how it's done. Okay, so knit and then knit. I knitted the last stitch just to give that nice, see? It's like working in circular. Okay, so I'm going to knit these first 3 stitches as I did prior, as I did on the other side. Okay. And then I'm going to slip. I'm just going to continue like this until I have that. I forgot to knit this. You know, when you start talking, you forget what you're doing. Okay, slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit. Can't knit that one. Okay. So I'm going to repeat. I'm going to knit the 3 stitches at the beginning. So this is how we're giving that decrease. Like I said, if you're doing something straight, just bind off. And if you're binding off, this is how it looked like this part would be closed. See? Okay, so slip, knit my yarn. Stuck here. Let me just move that. This is magical. That's what I always say. Then knit the last stitch. You don't have to knit. You can slip it, but it gives that nice edge. See how it looks like? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to knit these 3 stitches again. See how it's becoming? The baby mittens, or because they don't, you don't have to make thumbs for them. Slip, knit, slip. See how it looks like so far? Oops. Okay, so knit the 3 stitches together. Okay, so purl, knit. This is the 3rd decrease. just using my judgment. Usually for newborn, they're about 3 inches and over long. For baby mittens, knit, and then knit the last one, just in case. Okay, so I'm going to do one more. Knit 3 together, one more decrease, and I'm just going to bind off in the middle because I think this is plenty. Knit, purl, pardon, knit, I did slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, slip, knit, knit. Okay, I think this is enough. Just to be on the same side, I'm going to measure it. Oopsie. Too many. Yeah, it's just over 3 inches, so it's perfect.